Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 2023, 21st of February, and I am ready to show you my plan of some of the selected currency pairs that I have. Right, so guys, I hope you can hear me. Alright, so if you can hear me, yeah, so I appreciate that probably you may want to give me some response. So that because over here side here, something went wrong. Okay. Yep. And let's see if let's see. Okay, over here. Right. Right. So well, okay. So let me check. So hopefully everything is good. And now, right. Hey. Right, so well, anyway, okay, so just let's go on with Aussie franc. Today Aussie franc, I'm looking out for selling. So basically, okay, I can see that over here they have tested into the resistance and started to sell down. So support level, tentatively looking into this level. Well, but unfortunately last week we have one level here, so we have to take note of this level as well. So Aussie franc, we have about 16 pips to take. After that, after breaking through, then we will see if there is a chance for us to continue the selling. Okay. Yep. So over here, right. So at this point here, well, at this area here, what we can do is that over at this point we can we can do some scalping here, and after that we can see if this is going to break through. Okay. Then after that, then we can start the selling from here, right? So well, at the moment, for now. Okay, so we can see that now we are actually going on the selling. So still waiting for it to go for the selling right now. Okay. Yep. And next to go. All right. Next to go over at this point here. And what we can do over here is that right over at this point here. For after Aussie franc, I'm looking to Aussie yen. Well, Aussie yen, we have tested into the resistance level. And the resistance level over here, after tested the resistance, it started to slip off. And looking out for the selling since we are in the bear. So over here, the resistance is still there. Okay, so we are looking into support level where I will say that is level. So we have a very good space for the Aussie yen. Right, so after Aussie yen, now I'm going to look at this Aussie dollar. Well, Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar today we are looking out for the selling since yesterday, and now the Aussie dollar I'm looking at selling from here. That there's a chance for the selling, right? So at this point here, okay, probably we may want to area here, and we have a chance for this selling. For this selling over at this point here, there is one point that we can take a look. Okay, so this area here, Aussie dollar. All right, so this part here, where the Aussie dollar over here. Okay, so we can see that Aussie dollar we are actually now selling. So at the moment for the Aussie dollar, since we are selling here, right? So probably we can take a look at the support level, which I see at this point here, resistance is there, support is here, so there's quite a good space. So that's for the Aussie dollar. So how about next we're going to Euro yen, right? Euro yen, I'm waiting for it to test into the resistance. Then there may be a chance for the selling later on in the second half of the day. So we may need to have more patience for this Euro yen. Okay, so next to go, how about Euro dollar? Well, Euro dollar over here. Euro dollar, we are transiting down into the bear. So right now we have tested the resistance yesterday and now moving towards the support. So right now we are in the bear, still selling. Okay, then we may pay attention to this later on in the live trading session. Okay, so next to go, pound yen, right? Pound yen. So pound yen over at this point here, pound yen. We are for pound yen. I'm actually looking out for the resistance to be tested. So right here, okay, we have a resistance over here, tested for a few rounds, and now I'm waiting for it to turn down for the selling. Same thing, it may take a little while, that may even come in the second half of the day. So for this, right, so later on, we will take a look later on the second half of the day. Yeah, or even maybe in the next, in the London session, probably there may be a chance. Okay. structure. So let's take a look at this area here. So the selling structure over at this point here, we are looking not breaking. I'm going to look the dollar is going to test into this about 12 pips. After retest this level, I'm going down to take this level as well. So there is a lot of space there down there. So it will be good for us to focus, right? So for right now, okay, let's quickly take a look at the Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin has exceeded 24.9 and now it should be looking out for buy, right? So I think the Bitcoin is actually run now. Okay, so probably, yeah, let's take a look and see if there's a chance. All right, so for the gold, all right, for the gold wise, okay, tentatively right now looks like it's more on the selling side. So selling side, later on in the live trading in the London session, we will have a better, clearer vision, okay, for this gold on where it should be going. Tentatively, I'm still looking at 1823, although yesterday it has tested on the 1823, which meets our target. And after that, it retraced upwards. Seems like today is going to test this once again. Okay, so once again over at this point here. All right, so this last week 1823. So over here, it seems like it's actually coming into this level to test on the support. Once it breaks, then we have a good chance of coming down into the level of 1823. So we can take a look at this in the London session later on. All right. Okay, guys. So do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? And also smash the like button for the effort behind the video. And I shall see you later on in 1.5 hours time for the live trading session. Right. Thank you so much, guys. And this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you later.